Hello everyone, I'm David and welcome back to another first aid skills video. Over the next couple of weeks we're going to be going over CPR. But this week we're going to do a quick, easy video. It's just going to be a watch and I'm going to show you what 5 cycles of CPR looks like. So all the way from coming up to the person, making sure the scene's safe, and then we'll run through those 5 cycles and what it looks like. In later videos, we'll go more in depth of the steps I took, break down the video, and we'll go over AEDs a little bit later. So the reason we do 5 cycles of CPR is because that's what the AED is programmed to do once you start working with them. They do their analyzing and stuff based on a 5 cycle or 2 minutes of CPR, which should be pretty close to the same. So we'll go over AEDs later, but for now I'll just show you what 5 cycles of CPR looks like and then you can get an idea of how long it takes. Alright, here we go. Hello, are you okay? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? My name's David. I'm trained in first aid. Do you need my help? This person's not breathing. You in the plaid shirt, can you get me a first aid kit and an AED? And you in the shorts, I need you to go call 911 and come back to me and tell me when you've done that, okay? Both of you? Awesome. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There, so that's what 2 minutes or 5 cycles of CPR looks like. Next week we'll go over that video, break it down, go in depth of what I did. But until then, that's it. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video, and I hope to see you all next week.